Okay, first of all, thank you very much for giving us the chance to speak a little bit about Dedrone. Dedrone is the leading counter-drone company, leading the world in securing organizations around the world from uninvited drones. Dedrone is an American-German company. Most of our manufacturing happens in Germany. Leadership is in the US and Germany as well. We are the guys that have protected the World Cup from malicious drones, working with the Ministry of Interior, working with a great local partner in Qatar, and we were able to detect over 10,000 drones and make sure that there was no interruptions at the World Cup from any uninvited drones. We are also protecting the Ukrainian army and 250 other customers worldwide from uninvited drones. But that's it. Our system allows the detection of drones as well as jamming them and stopping them from coming close. That's who we are.